Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Shakay and I do lifestyle videos.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
So guys, it has been a while. It has been a while. So yes, I am in my Jamaica clothes, as you can see, because tomorrow, it's July 31st by the way. Tomorrow is August 1st. And tonight we're having a Emancipation Vigil at my church. So I just wanted to like bring you guys along. Yeah. So it's the first we're having something like this. Yeah. I want to show you guys my outfit. I don't know if you guys are like gonna see it, but we gonna try. I don't know if you can see, but I'm wearing my Jamaica shirt. It's pretty dark in my room always. I'm wearing my Jamaica shirt and I'm wearing my, what do you call them again, a skater skirt, I think. I don't remember. So it's a skater skirt and I'm wearing some yellow shoes. Can I see it? Strapping that way. Yeah, I'm wearing those shoes. See if you want to see better here, so yeah. So I'm wearing my sneakers and the top. So just wanted to bring you guys like along so you guys can like see what we're gonna be doing. I'm hot. Place hot, man. Place hot. My hair is in desperate need of redoing or pulling out. I don't know it. But yes, I'm coming. So I'm gonna head over in a bit. It starts at 10, so it goes from 10 to 12. So I don't even know what time is it. It is now 9:33. So got a few more minutes and then I'm gonna head over. So see you guys there.
And this evening we have come to remember and to give thanks to God for what He has done, what He is doing in our lives.
He set me free. He set me free one day. He set me free. He broke the bars of prison.
Rockstar DIARIES, thanks for me.
The first settlers were Scot crofters, that is, Scottish tradesmen, hence the name Croxhill. The community of Croxhill was the main town for Upper Clarendon in its glory days. It boasts a police station, and that station is still here. Boasts a pond where the cultural center is now located, and a market. Somebody needs to tell me where the market was.
6 Baptist missionaries, William Hill, Thomas Burchell, Thomas Abbott, Samuel Nicholas, Francis Garner, William Whitehorn were arrested and charged for causing the uprising through their preaching. Nick was apprehensive because he did not know how the Committee of Baptist Missionary Society would react to his intention to have slavery abolished. Nick said, among other things, "Whatever the consequence, I will speak. I will not rest day or night until I see slavery destroyed, root and branch."
7 national heroes And this was written by Rita Shirley Bailey, acknowledging the writer. Okay, this time I talk about, say they have 7 national heroes. From what we know about hero is somebody who fight for his country and achieve noble qualities. Who got 10 kids. From me born, we never see them on the land. We hear say them dead. What they can do to make them celebrate and call them national hero. Every year, them talk about Heritage Week, and before that they talk when still they can cover land. They talk about 7 dead people with dry out clean now. Not even them born can find. What? See that them make me free from slavery? How come? Let me read some more and see what they say. What? Granny Nanny?
Good Granny Nanny.
To pass down legends and encourage our people to continue old-time music and song. She showed them how to struggle and keep up the spirit of freedom. Sam Sharp.
Yo, Sam Sharp.
I would rather die and younger girl than to live in slavery.
Marcus Mosiah Garvey.
The end you serve that are selfish will take you no further than yourself, but the ends you serve that are for all in common will take you into eternity. If you have not confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. With confidence, you have won even before you have started.
George William Gordon. One, in mother did a slave and in father did a backer master. Poor soul. I wonder how he did feel if he not belong nowhere. He divided up inland and sell it cheap. He encouraged them to resist oppressors and unjust conditions. Paul Bogle.
Slavery! My brothers and sisters, this thing is wrong. They think we weak, but we hill man strong. Rise up yourself. We will march all night long to the vestry house, and we reclaim our right and free ourselves.
Sir Alexander Bustamante.
Long live the king, but then I must go.
Because of that, them watch him like shark. Them put him in a prison for 17 months, but he never back down. He formed the Jamaica Labour Party and the first general election he win. He did the first Prime Minister of Jamaica. What a thing he, Norman Washington Manley. And the people did have labor trouble. Him did concern about it. Him talk up for them and form a party named People's National Party. Them did support the same movement when Buster did a lead, and him lead the universal adult suffrage too. Him did have to wait 10 years and 2 terms before them decided to vote for his party. And him did talk up for the Federation of the West Indies. Him did really satisfied because him said,
Mission accomplished.
them do it proud for true, and because of that, what them do for the country, that's why they're dead. Them well deserve to be heroes and heroines. So make we big up the heroes.
Are now reading about. A lot of what we have experienced, they are coming not just from our forebears, but they are coming from Bible days.
Not my burden. It's not called for the freedom we have. It's thank God for those who fought for our freedom. As I said from we began, years ago, our forefathers gathered. I don't know if any gathered in Cross Hill. I don't know. But they gathered in Palma, they gathered in Spanish Town. I know for sure they were in those two places. And William May kept his eyes on his watch. And he said, at midnight, which is about now, the monster is dead. We celebrate our freedom. Freedom in Christ. Tonight we say, even as we listen to the tolling of the bell, the ringing of the bell, as we go back in time for at midnight in 1838, they rung the bell, indicating that the monster is dead.
Guys, want to say thank you so much for watching this video. It has been like a few days after. Today is like the 3rd, so it's a few days after, but I just wanted to end the vlog because I realized I did not end the vlog. I didn't do much on the 1st, which is Emancipation Day. After we woke up, as you saw, I was making smoothie and so on. I literally woke up, we had breakfast, we cleaned up, I went to play Sims, and then came back to make smoothie for the family, went back to Sims, then I watched a movie in the afternoon. Like literally that was, because it's a holiday, so why not? So yeah, that was it. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something, because it was mostly like a learning thing for me. It's learning about what happened many years ago. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be hopefully soon.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.